Nissan Motorsport, abbreviated to Nismo. An abbreviation that shows its roots in 1964 in the Prince Motor Company, which was bought by Nissan 2 years later. Nissan merged their two motorsport companies into one in 1984 and created Nismo. And that's where the new Nissan Juke Nismo RS hails from. Nissan Juke is a smaller crossover with a different look. The model Nismo RS distances itself from its normal brothers even more. When you sit into the new Juke Nismo RS, you know that something special is going to happen. You don't know what it is. Maybe you'll go really fast. Maybe you'll get many points on your license. And maybe you'll lose your license. But as soon as you start it up, you know that it's not a standard Juke. A firmer suspension, turbocharged 1.6-liter engine, short gears, sporty seats, and a big sporty exhaust. No, this really is not the standard model. When you look at Juke Nismo RS, you might think, it's a crossover. It probably goes fast, but doesn't really corner very well. But it does. The ride is quite firm, and you can go through corners rather fast. I wouldn't advise it, of course, but you can. You will know something is different just by looking at the car. Red lines on the sides, front and back, big diffusers and a beefier front mask. The Juke Nismo RS growls. With 218 horsepower under the bonnet, I can't decide which of these two will lift off first, the plane or the car. The acceleration is fairly brutal, although not immensely so. From 0 to 60, you'll need, 60 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour, you'll need about 7 seconds, a bit under. And the acceleration is quite fun. So you'll quickly reach the speed limits, so be careful. On the other hand, traveling Europe in this car, because the sound in the cabin, especially on highways at high speeds, is rather uncomfortable. So after a few hours, you would be like this. But alright, forget the noise or comfort. This sort of car will be driven for fun anyway. And that's where the Juke Nismo RS excels: acceleration and cornering. As for the prices, it's yours for €28,000.